Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your video on the Kinemaster application. So as you open the Kinemaster application, so there's already a video on how a video which explains the Kinemaster application interface. So if you have not watched it, you can go to our YouTube channel, Forest of Peace TV. So to watch the video on the Kinemaster interface. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can edit a video using the Kinemaster. So when you get here, so we want to do some kind of settings here. So I already did my own. So just under the editing, so we want to come to this place, default photo cropping. So it's in Kanban. So you want to change that, you put that fit in screen. So make sure you do that. So it's highly recommended. So after that, you exit that. So then you click on this, you hit that big plus button. So this is the aspect ratio, so the one that is recommended for YouTube. So you select 16:9 aspect ratio. So after selecting that, so you can see the interface. So we have 16:9. This is what they mean by 16:9 ratio. So as zoom, you select the square. So the window here will look like square. So we have 16:9 now. So let's do this by importing the video we want to edit. So in this case, I will be selecting something like okay. So I have a video here. It's just a very short video. So I'll be selecting this. So I already have my video. You click on this mark here. So and then you draw. So you can draw from one place to another, from left to right. So or instead of doing that, you can do that. You can click on this to do that job for you. So it allows you to move from one end to another, so very easily. You don't need to draw it like this, so it takes some kind of much time. So this one allows you to jump from the window interface so to where you can really edit your video. So you can do that. So assuming, so you can see, let's assume you want to use this place, you can also display the interface here. So that is, when you are editing, you can be viewing your output here. So let's say I do something like this. Okay, so I can play it this way. So let me jump back to the window. Okay, so I want to trim some part of this video. I don't really like all. So how do I do that? So if you want to edit edit anything on Kinemaster, you click on that particular thing. Okay, so we have the trimming option here, we have the cropping option here, we have the audio option also. So and then we click on trim. So see, sorry. So when we click on trim, see, we have an option to trim to the left of playhead. You can see trim some part of it to the left, to the right. So we have another one. So yeah, say trim to right of playhead. So I'm going to use that. So okay, so that is, I've successfully trimmed some part of the video that I don't want. So that applies to the video you want to use. So I'm just using this as an illustration. So I believe you have more complex video that you want to trim, so you edit it the way you want it to be. After doing that, you can click on this mark. Okay, let's say I want to do some kind of editing also. Okay, you have clip graphics here. So there's something I want to show you. So we have color filter here. So you can see the kind of brightness here. So we want to change that. Yes, I don't really want it to be so bright. So I can click something like this. Okay, you can see it's changing. So okay, this is the normal one. So you can click on it like this. You can click it like this. So you can see. So you can see this effect. So okay, let's say I want something like this. Okay, so okay. So and then the speed control, you can add speed control. Okay, say I want 1.5. Okay, this. Okay, okay. So the color adjustments. Okay, so we've done that. There are also other editing you can do to this video. You can see, you can expand the video with your two hand. So you click on these two edges, you expand it. So, okay, let's select another thing. Yeah, so let's say we are done with this. Okay, so I want to add text to this video now. So how do I do this? So I click on layer. Okay, then I click on text. So in this case I'll be writing something like this, text. So I click on OK. So I'll choose where I want my text to be. So I want to trim this. So okay. So I'm trimming this to the left of playhead. Okay, so please notice. So when I play this video, the text is going to show up just at the end of the video. So let's see. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. It's not showing. So I want it to be here now. So I'm sorry. Stream. Okay. Okay. No. I think I achieved what I want now. So I want the text now. I want it to show. If I want it show here to start along with the video, so I can do that. So you can see they are on the same line. So their timeline is the same. So when I play it, you can see that. So and then I can do some editing on the text. I can change the font. So I'll be choosing something like this. Okay, now you can change the color also. So I recently used one here, although you can select any one you like here. Let's say I want to select the blue color. So then I mark this, and you see that takes effect. So that's another thing you can add. So another thing you can add to this is you can also do some kind of handwriting. So these are is mostly used for animation purpose. It's mostly used for animation. It's mostly used for animation. So and then there's one thing about Kinemaster here, for every button you click, you have an interface. You have a kind of a layer for everything. So this is the video layer, this is the text layer, and this is the handwritten layer. So you want to keep that in mind. So it makes your work to be very much easier. So and then if you want to add effects or image, so these are some options you can also explore. So and then we have the asset store, so where you can purchase anything. You can purchase text, you can purchase effects, overlays, and also some stuff. So let's play this through. I think for me to the speed is somehow very much. So let's say I want to decrease the speed of the video. Oh, it's okay, depending on what you want to achieve. So, okay, I think we've done some editing here. So that's just a kind of a beginner guide to using Kinemaster. So after you are done with your editing, so you can export your file. You click on this share button here, click on here, so you can see some kind of options that you have here. So you want to put this at 480 and leave this frame rate at 30, resolution 480. Okay, and then you can see, so you can see as I draw over this, you can see the bitrate changing. So this is up to 6 MB. So this is the size of the file, is the size it's going to take in your phone storage. So after you are done, so you click on the export button, and then you see this loading here. So after it loads, that means you're done with it, with your editing. So you can use it at any time. Okay, let's play it. You can see it's our editing. I want to play it. Okay, it's asking me actually. Okay, I think I'm going to use another application to play this. Okay, let me use this. You can see this is the output of our editing. So thanks guys for watching.